just want to breathe. Hey, hey, Chike. You're hitting those mean ass falsettos. Just falsetto on top falsetto on this record, man. Okay, now next track, Breathe with Chike. Let's go. Chike, man, amazing singer. One classic down on his debut already. Come on.
I just want to breathe. Need some time to breathe. Live my life so free. No one chasing me. I just want to breathe. That's all I need to stay alive. Live my life so free.
Oh, it's
no
funny.
one chasing me.
It's funny.
I just want to.
Okay, that was interesting from Chike. Definitely played with his vocal texture here. This is not how he sounds normally. This is not how he sounds like naturally. So it's interesting that maybe it's connected to the message of the song. Maybe I'm thinking too deep about it because he's saying I just want to breathe, and we're connecting this to a song that came before the Shoot the Messenger, which was dedicated to the NTARS protest, and this might be coming towards a Black Lives Matter movement as well. Maybe that's my guess from the hook so far. Let's see how this one goes. AQ's about to rap in his first verse. Let's go.
It's funny, I'm the rapper every rapper trying to beat now. Used to be an underground rapper with a big mouth.
That's okay. AQ is literally he's documenting his journey on this album so far. It's so real. It's so real how much he has documented his journey so far. He used to be the underground rapper, quote unquote, that he was just taking shots at everyone. And now he's on the main stage now on the hip hop scene, and it's nice to see, man. It's awesome to see him get to this point in his career, and he's spinning facts here.
My initials, AQ, I got it for you. I got a budget for you. Couldn't get it here. I went down south and brought it for you. Sackatoya. When the Lord anointed my brothers, was me that bought the oil.
When the Lord anointed my brothers, I bought the oil. That's mad though. That's a dope way to put it. That's a dope way to put it, man. He got all the blessings, got all the anointing. He bought the oil for himself, man.
Your country never did nothing for you. Walking this corrupted soil. Rewards wrapped in paper foil.
Talking about bribes. The country is so corrupt. Rewards are wrapped in paper foil. Talking about the hardships in Nigeria. I definitely see what he's saying here, man.
Don't let the paper spoil you. Painting you this picture, my brother, cause I was here before you.
Oh, I love the idea.
I just want to breathe.
Okay. Okay, I love the idea of the hook now. I love the idea of the hook. It's supposed to sound painful. It's supposed to sound like, it's supposed to show and reflect the hardship of the country. And I definitely see that. You wanting to breathe, you wanting the system to work to your benefit. This hook is very out of the box. It's very unique. Like, you won't necessarily predict this. It feels like a superstar record. Like, it feels like this is like a good rapper singer moment. Just a little tweak on the mixing to make it sound cleaner, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but I get the idea, I get the vibe, and I get the entire direction here. It's beautiful.
I lived my whole life in the dark till I found a spark. Now just speaking my heart is described as art.
Yo, okay, shout out to AQ, man. He's been sounding in the pocket now. He's been sounding in the pocket lately. A good chunk of God's Engineering, he was in pocket, and I was here for it. Same thing we're getting here. This second verse right now, he's in the pocket. Towards the end of the first verse, I was getting a little rush in some sense, like he was trying to squeeze some syllables to stay on beat. But on this second verse so far, he's in the pocket. The flow is very simple and straight to the point, and it's to getting his message across. I think he's so message driven. AQ is such a message driven rapper that he doesn't even care if it impedes on the delivery, if it impedes on the flow of his rhyme scheme, you know. Like, he doesn't really care. He just wants you to hear what he's saying, get the point that he's trying to make, and just force it in, jam it in. But I like that he's spacing himself on this second verse and taking it time after time, and getting the message across at the same time. I like it.
Life in the dark till I found a spark. Now just speaking my heart is described as art. High fashion, paid in full with body parts. Cost an arm and a leg. Your market cap is cap. How you cut off your nose?
Your market cap is cap. That's brilliant, bro.
Those just to spite your face, holy Moses. They still got you paying through your noses. Enemies live forever, vendetta since I was barely grown. Oh my Lord, save me, protect me as I am heading home. Get this bread forever, my name is already set in stone. But it was written, I shall not leave by bread alone.
I just want to breathe. Hey, hey, Chike. Hitting those mean ass falsettos. Just falsetto on top falsetto on this record, man. Damn. Okay. Shout out to Chike, man. That was a beautiful one. Definitely a song expressing, in the same vein of the song before that, Shoot the Messenger, expressing the hardships, obviously telling his story, telling his own experience and the level of hardships that he has been through as an individual in Nigeria, stating his humble beginnings and how he had to come down and get signed. And then I definitely see the value in getting Chike as well. Chike is at the top of his game right now after like a strong classic album already. In my view, man, that's a classic album. It's also on the high of a successful song with Simi as well. Yeah, Chike is a nice touch of a mainstream appeal on this album so far, and it's very tasteful. It's a very reasonable feature. You know what I mean? It's like, it's not intrusive. It's not doing too much. It's coming with a very unique direction from him, because I've never seen Chike in this light before, and it's nice to see that rapper singer collab go off, and the sentiments behind the song was definitely captured. I loved it. I definitely loved it. Next track, Hella.